Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to find a value exists or not in an Excel column using Python. So let's start the tutorial. The command is py excel value exists or not.py and I click enter. Notice the enter value. Now let's check here in our Excel sheet. I will enter Rani. Let's check the Rani. R is capital, enter. See, Rani exists. If I check Charan also exists.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is a Python-tutorials. And here it is, our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now, inside this folder, I will create one new Python file called Excel value exists or not. Exists or not.py. And here we got the newly created Python file is open. Now my aim is how to find the value exists or not in an Excel column using Python. So first, when we are dealing with Excel through Python, there are different modules available. One of the module I am using OpenPyXL. Let's import that OpenPyXL. If it's not showing the OpenPyXL in your IntelliSense, you have to install this module. After that, we require the workbook of the Excel sheet. Workbook is a variable is equals to OpenPyXL dot load workbook. Load workbook function takes the parameter of the file name. What's the file name of the Excel? For this example, I'm taking the let's take the student details. Student details.excel extension. Then we require the worksheet of this Excel file. So I'm adding ws is a variable, workbook dot active. Then I want to enter the value, the searching value by the user input. So search value is equals to input, enter the value. After that, I'm using for loop for I in range. The range method takes the parameters, 3 parameters, but I require only 2, start and stop only. The starting index value is, let's open our Excel file, go to Windows Explorer. I'm finding my student details. There it is, student details, and here we got the student details Excel file. I'm searching the column number 2, which is student names. So 2, if you add 1 here, it's a column A. 2 is column B. 2, then worksheet dot max underscore value row max underscore row plus 1. After that, I want to cell value. I want to get the cell value in WSI. WS is the capital. WSI. Then if condition. If cell value dot value is a property is double equals to search value, which means what are the enter value here, if it's found in this cell value. What is cell value? the second column values, we all get the second value, second column of the Excel sheet. If it's font, I want to print F-string format, such value is exist. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file, save all. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Now let's check the final output of our application. Find the value is exist or not in an Excel column. The command is find Excel value exists or not.py, and I click enter. Notice the enter value. Now let's check here in our Excel sheet. I will enter Rani. Let's check the Rani. R is capital, enter. See, Rani is exist. If I check Charan, Charan also exists. If you check here, Charan also exists. Let's check Peter. Peter also exists. Now if I check some name which is not available, VIK, and notice here VIK, it's not showing is exist or not the message, because this VIK name is not available in our Excel sheet. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to find a value is exist or not in Excel column using Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.